Not everyone needs a full house filtration system to get cleaner, better tasting water. Sometimes all it takes is a simple inline filter to make a noticeable difference. Whether you're looking to upgrade the water in your RV, fridge, ice maker, or even a sink, these compact filters are affordable, easy to install, and get the job done. In this video, we're looking at 6 of the best inline water filters for 2025, from long-lasting options for home use to travel-friendly picks for the road. You'll find links to each product mentioned in the video down in the description. Number 6. Membrane Solutions Inline Filter. If you're looking for a low-cost way to improve your water quality without committing to a full system, the Membrane Solutions Inline Filter is a strong place to start. It's a great pick for budget-conscious users, first-time buyers, or anyone needing a compact filter for their RV, camper, or even just a basic faucet setup. This filter features a straightforward inline design that connects easily using standard 1/4-inch fittings. No special tools or extra adapters needed. It's built with coconut shell carbon, which helps reduce chlorine, sediment, rust, and unpleasant odors in your water. With a 0.5 micron rating, it's capable of catching fine particles while maintaining a decent water flow. That makes it suitable for general use in refrigerators, ice makers, water coolers, under-sink systems, and RV water lines. It's also commonly used as a pre-filter, helping to protect more advanced filtration setups from premature clogging. You can expect to get about 1,500 gallons of filtered water from a single unit, roughly around 6 months of use depending on your water quality and consumption. It's lightweight and compact, so it fits well in tight spaces or behind appliances without taking up much room. Water pressure holds steady during use, and there's no major drop in flow unless the filter becomes heavily saturated. If you're not ready to invest in a high-capacity system but still want noticeably better water, this is a solid starter or backup option to have on hand. Number 5. Watts Inline Filter. The Watts Inline Filter has been around for years and remains one of the most recognizable names in this category. Known for its reliability and long lifespan, it's a go-to option for anyone looking to improve the water coming out of their refrigerator, ice maker, or even a countertop coffee machine. It uses granular activated carbon, or GAC, to reduce chlorine, bad taste, and odor. It's also NSF certified, so you know it meets industry standards for performance and safety. You'll notice a cleaner, crisper taste in your water and ice without the need for ongoing maintenance or complex setup. One of the standout features of this model is its capacity. It's rated to handle up to 20,000 gallons, which is significantly more than most basic inline filters. For many households, that translates to multiple years of use from a single filter. It connects using standard 1/4-inch compression fittings and can be installed in just a few minutes with basic tools. Once it's in place, there's not much else you need to worry about. The slim cylindrical design means it fits neatly behind most refrigerators or under counters. It's built with durable plastic housing that resists cracking or leaking over time. While it's mainly used for taste and odor improvement, it can also help reduce sediment in small appliance lines. That adds a little extra protection for your devices. Overall, if you want a dependable filter with a long lifespan and minimal upkeep, the Watts Inline Filter checks all the boxes for home appliance use. Number 4. Aquarest AQF INL. If you're looking to replace a generic inline filter without overpaying, the Aquarest AQF INL is a smart choice. It's designed as a direct replacement for a wide range of brands and models, making it a convenient pick when you need a filter that just works, no guesswork required. This unit is compatible with several major inline systems and connects easily using standard 1/4-inch quick connect fittings. Installation takes only a few minutes and doesn't require any special tools, which makes it perfect for both new setups and replacement jobs. Filtration comes from a coconut-based carbon block, offering a more refined approach than typical granular filters. It targets chlorine, rust, sands, sediment, and other fine particles. With a 0.5 micron rating, it's capable of delivering cleaner water whether it's going to your refrigerator, coffee maker, RV water line, or under-sink system. Each filter provides around 1,400 to 1,500 gallons of use, roughly about 6 months depending on your water quality and usage. It's made from BPA-free and lead-free materials, which adds a layer of safety, especially for food-related appliances. One of the things that stands out here is the water pressure. It remains consistent even if you're running multiple appliances from the same source. That's a plus for larger households or setups with multiple water lines. Overall, the Aquarest AQF INL is a solid, cost-effective upgrade or replacement filter. It keeps your water tasting fresh and installs quickly, and is built to handle day-to-day use without any complications. Number 3. Glacier Fresh RV Marine Inline Filter. If you're spending time on the road or out on the water, having clean, safe drinking water is non-negotiable. The Glacier Fresh RV Marine Inline Filter is built specifically for RVs, campers, boats, and marine systems, making it a reliable option for anyone who's frequently using campground or dockside hookups. This filter uses a dual media setup, granular activated carbon, GAC, to handle chlorine, odor, and rust, and KDF to inhibit the growth of bacteria. It's designed to deliver better tasting water while also keeping unwanted contaminants out of your tanks and lines. NSF 42 certified, it meets basic standards for improving taste and clarity, which is especially important when drawing from unfamiliar or variable water sources. Whether you're parked at a campground or filling up at a rest stop, you'll get consistent results every time. The included flexible hose extension and hose protector help prevent kinks and strain on the fittings, which is a nice touch for frequent travelers. Installation is easy with its universal twist-on design. It works with standard garden hose threads, so no extra fittings or tools are needed. The filter is rated to last around 3 months or approximately 3,000 gallons, depending on how often you're hooked up to a water source. That's ideal for seasonal travel or even full-time RVers who regularly move from site to site. If your adventures take you off the beaten path, the Glacier Fresh Filter gives you peace of mind and cleaner water without a complicated setup. It's a must-have for anyone relying on public or campground water connections. Number 2, EcoPure EPI NL30 Refrigerator Filter. For homeowners who want clean water without the hassle of frequent filter changes, the EcoPure EPI NL30 is a standout option. It's designed for use with refrigerators and ice makers, and it's compatible with most major brands and standard 1/4-inch water lines. At the heart of this filter is a granular activated carbon, GAC, core that reduces chlorine, sediment, taste, and odor. It helps keep your water and ice clean, clear, and tasting fresh without affecting pressure or flow. What really sets this model apart is its lifespan. It's rated for up to 30,000 gallons or 5 years of use, which makes it one of the longest-lasting inline filters available. That makes it ideal for anyone looking for a low-maintenance, set-and-forget solution. Installation is simple and straightforward. It comes with mounting hardware and a clear instruction guide, so even first-time users can have it up and running in under 30 minutes. Once installed, there's nothing else to manage. No monthly checks, no frequent replacements. The filter is built with durable food-grade plastic that holds up well behind the fridge or under the sink. It's leak-resistant and doesn't crack or warp over time. While it's mainly designed for refrigerators and ice makers, it also works well for water dispensers, beverage machines, or as part of an under-sink setup. If you want a long-term filtration solution with minimal upkeep, the EcoPure EPI NL30 offers outstanding value. It's ideal for homeowners who just want their water to taste better and stay that way for years. Number 1. Camco TastePure RV Inline Water Filter. If you spent any time around RV parks or campgrounds, you've probably seen the blue filter connected to water hookups. That's the Camco TastePure, and it's one of the most trusted inline filters for RVers today. Designed specifically for RV and camping use, this filter connects easily between the campground spigot and your RV's freshwater intake. It's simple, it's quick, and it instantly improves water quality no matter where you're parked. The TastePure uses a combination of granular activated carbon and KDF media, which helps reduce chlorine, bad taste, odor, sediment, and even the potential buildup of bacteria in the water line. That extra layer of protection matters when you're pulling water from unknown or inconsistent sources on the road. One of its standout features is the included flexible hose protector, which prevents the filter or hose from bending or kinking during setup. That might seem small, but it helps avoid damage over time and ensures steady water flow. It's rated to last for about 3 months or up to 3,000 gallons, depending on water quality and usage. The larger body design increases filtration surface area, allowing for better flow without pressure drops, even if you're running the sink, shower, or toilet at once. NSF certified and built for durability, it performs well in a wide range of weather and storage conditions, which is ideal for both weekend warriors and full-time travelers. For anyone relying on campground water sources, the Camco TastePure delivers consistent results with minimal fuss. It's a go-to filter that's earned its reputation for keeping RV water clean, safe, and better tasting wherever you go. Thanks for sticking around. We hope this list helps you find the right inline water filter for your setup. Whether you're outfitting your RV, fridge, or just want cleaner water at home, there's a solid option here for just about everyone. Let us know in the comments which one you're going with, or if there's a filter you've had good results with. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and consider subscribing for more picks like this.